Hello everyone, welcome in today's video. In this video, we are going to learn about how to delete product variation on Amazon. So first of all, log in your Amazon seller account, then click on these three lines. Now click on inventory, then click on manage all inventory. Now select the listing according to your wish. For example, I want to delete this variation. So click on view variation and family and parent SKU. Now choose the variation you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this blue color variation. So click on this checkbox. Now click on select group action. Then click on delete listing. Then click on delete listing again. So your variation is deleted. The change will be reflected in 15 minutes. That's all for today's video. Thank you.